Hello students, from this video we are going to revise all the topics of semester 1 and very quick revision for each chapter. So from today we are going to start very first chapter of the semester 1, that is the structure of chromosome and cell division. In this particular video I am going to discuss about the topic structure of chromosome. Now I am not going to going in detail, but I am going to discuss the key points of this chapter. The very first question, which is very important: during the interphase a thin colored network is visible, that is called chromatin fiber. Thin colored network is visible, that is called chromatin fiber, and this chromatin fiber is visible during interphase only, right? Now this chromatin fiber condense and form chromosome when the cell enter from interphase to prophase. So the another key point is chromatin fiber condense and it convert into chromosome. Okay. The another key point is, what is centromere? Centromere is a point where the two sister chromatids are attached. These are the two sister chromatids and they are attached at a point that is called centromere. Centromere के ऊपर एक और क्वेश्चन बनता है. Centromere is a point from where the spindle fibers are also arranged. Now, what is the sequence of all these? I mean, how DNA is formed and DNA is in how chromosome is formed. The correct sequence is DNA. Now DNA combine with 8 stone proteins and form nucleosome. Now nucleosome coil and form chromatin material. And this chromatin material condense and form chromosome. Now the another important question is, who discovered the structure of chromosome? The structure of chromosome was discovered by Walter Fleming. Okay. Now the another important question is, what is nucleosome? Nucleosome consists of DNA plus 8 histone proteins. There the composition is also important. 40% DNA plus 60% histone protein. Name of the protein is also important question, and their composition is also important. Okay. After that, the structure of DNA. In structure of DNA, आपको पता होना चाहिए DNA क्या है? DNA is a polymer. DNA is a macromolecule. It consists of a repeating unit. So the another important question is, the repeating unit of of DNA is nucleotide. Okay. Now another important question is, what is nucleotide or what is the composition of nucleotide? Nucleotide consists of nitrogen base plus pentose sugar plus phosphate group. Now, what are the nitrogen bases? We have two kind of nitrogen bases. One is purine and the another one is pyrimidine. कैसे नाम याद रखेंगे? Purine is Ag, इधर आइए Ag, adenine and guanine. pyrimidine क्या करता है? pyrimidine सीटी बजाता है किसकी? साइटोसिन एंड थाइमीन की. ये साइटोसिन है, ये थाइमीन है. ओके. नाउ हाउ दे अरेंज, दैट इज अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. Okay, you can make the notes from this video, or you may read from your book and then you can make your key points. So I think I have written just 5 to 6 lines, and another 5 to 6 lines I will finish this first particular topic. Okay. Now how they are arranged. यहाँ पर एक और क्वेश्चन आपका important बनता है. I think we are on the point number 7. How they are arranged. Suppose this is a purine adenine. Adenine combined with thymine with 2 hydrogen bond then pentose sugar, then phosphate group. Okay, here also we have a pentose sugar and phosphate group. Cytosine combined with guanine, here we have 3 hydrogen bond, number of bonds are also responsible. और ये याद रखिएगा कि एडिनाइन ऑलवेज कंबाइन विद थाइमिन ताकि एटीएम बनाए, एंड साइटोसिन कंबाइन विद गुआनिन ऑलवेज, एंड अगेन दे कंबाइन विद pentose sugar and phosphate group. There could be a particular question on this particular diagram. How many strands are there? There are the 2 strands of DNA. How many nucleotides are there? So this entire structure is a nucleotide. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are the total 4 nucleotides are there. Last topic for this one is replication of DNA. इसके सीक्वेंस के ऊपर डायग्राम बेस्ड क्वेश्चन हो सकता है. रेप्लिकेशन ऑफ डीएनए टेक्स प्लेस एट एस फेज, सिंथेसिस फेज ऑफ इंटरफेज. नाउ व्हाट हैपन, दिस इज द ओरिजिनल डीएनए, पेरेंट डीएनए. अब ये पेरेंट डीएनए क्या होता है, ये खुलता है, अनकॉइल्ड होता है. ओके, दिस इज द ओल्ड डीएनए. नाउ हियर अ न्यू डीएनए स्टार्ट्स टू फॉर्म. And finally they separated and they form 2 strands of DNA. So this is the particular sequence. So आपको ये क्वेश्चन देकर इसका सीक्वेंस भी पूछा जा सकता है. So this all is important terms in first part of chapter cell division and structure of chromosome. In next video, we are going to discuss the MCQs on this video only, based on this video, and in very next video, we will discuss the cell division, mitosis and meiosis with their significance. Till then, take care. Goodbye.